In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bases in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to pull data from one base into another using Airtable's sync feature, so your information stays connected and up to date automatically. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website, then sign in to your workspace if you're not already logged in. Navigate to the base where you want the synced data to appear. This is your destination base, the place where you'll be creating a table that's powered by another base. Inside that base, look for the option to add a new table. You'll usually find this as a plus button or an option labeled Add or Import near your existing tables. Click on Add or Import, and from the list of options that appears, choose the one that says Airtable Base. This tells Airtable that you want to bring data in from another base, not from a CSV or an external app. A new window or panel will open asking you to select the source. Click on Select a Base, then choose the base that contains the data you want to link. In this example, we're choosing an existing base that has an imported table we want to reuse. After selecting the base, click on Select a Table and pick the specific table you want, such as the imported table. Next, Airtable will ask you which view you want to sync. Click on Select a View and choose Grid View. Using a grid view is a straightforward way to start, and you can always refine the source view later to filter or sort the synced data. Once you've chosen the view, look for the option labeled Enable Syncing and click it. This step turns on the live connection, so changes in the source view will flow into your destination base. You might see some additional options highlighted that let you review what exactly will sync. When you're ready, click Next. If you see an Advanced tab, open it to review settings like how often the sync runs, whether records can be deleted via sync, and similar options. You can leave these at their defaults if you're unsure, then click Next again. Finally, confirm by clicking Create Table. Airtable will create a new synced table in your destination base. Once it appears, you can switch to its grid view. You'll notice a small lightning icon next to the table name or view name, indicating that the table is linked and actively syncing from the original base.